Hey guys, this is Matthew, and welcome to the most scariest trampoline setup ever. Oh my God. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! We had to move the trampoline back because, so here, let me show you. So, when we had it, oh gosh, my legs are sore because it's actually the next day from like last clip that was yesterday. So here, so the thing is about it was, I don't know which one, but on these rocks was a pole and it almost split one in half. So we weren't allowed to do that. So I guess my dad moved it back. Oh gosh, there's water. So, oh gosh.
Okay.
My legs are so sore.
Okay, grab the camera.
Here.
I gotta get on it.
Dude, watch out for the water. Sorry. Here.
I'm wet.
So you said you could do a side flip, right?
I'll try, but now that it's wet, it's all slippery.
Oh gosh.
Cold.
Yeah, it's really cold.
Okay.
Guys, please hit the like button because
We're suffering.
we did this all for you, and it's really wet, and see, you can even see it. Oh,
And my
God.
feet are cold.
Yeah. That wasn't really a side flip, but it was cool.
I like
Here,
it.
ready? What should I do?
A backflip.
A backflip to front.
Yeah. Oh,
Water!
Close.
Ow, my legs. They're so sore. Oh gosh.
Oh, that was good. Oh.
Why?
Good. Oh. Oh.
Noise. Hey.